Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. And friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install ITop VPN for your devices, for your Android operating system, Mac or Windows operating system. Okay, I will show you how to download and install ITop. And after that we will search here ITop VPN and open this website itopvpn.com, and free VPN for ITop, secure your online privacy, private and secure access to worldwide internet. ITop VPN for Windows, Mac and iOS. Okay, so we will download it for our PC, iPhone, Mac operating system or Windows. Okay, ITop VPN, absolute privacy for all online activities, VPN service for ITop. So these are the total overview and all the features of the ITop VPN. You can read everything here. So we will go to and search, select for our Windows. So if we are a Mac user, we will click here, or if we have iPhone, so we will click here. Okay, so we are going to download for our Windows, then click here to download it, and it will automatically download. You just wait for it. If that not work, just click on it. And so we will just wait for a few seconds. It has been not started to be installed, download yet. So we will download here, and you can see here the 25 MB setup for our PC has been started to be downloaded, and we will try to install after this completion of download. So it has been completed, and we will open it, show in folder, and it is still unconfirmed, so it has been confirmed. Okay, and open this or run it as administrator. Okay, and do anything you want to install. Okay, yes, and preparing for ITop VPN installation and install. Yes, I agree to install PDF and concept the EULA and privacy policy. Just agree to it, and you can see here the ITop VPN for our PC, Windows operating system has been started to be installed, and it has been it will take few minutes to completely install into our PC. Okay, so we will wait for it to be installed, and it has been 90% complete, and it has been 100% completed. Okay, so we will just open it, finish, and connect to VIP service or still connect to free servers. Okay, so we will just expose show details, server network monitor, and so we will use its free servers, or we can get the premium feature, all the servers. So we are going to install for our free trial free service servers. So it has been connected to Miami, United States, and server USA servers Miami. Okay, so this is the ITop VPN installed into our PC, and we will just patience. Okay, so it has the software ITop VPN in your PC has been installed onto your PC, and in this way you can also download and install ITop VPN for your PC, free trial and free servers for your VPN. In this way, thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.